Hi boys and girls, it's Miss Fung and my nephew, Brayden. So today what we're gonna do is we are going to make Rice Krispie treats. Brayden, have you ever made Rice Krispie treats?
I think one time.
Yeah, and I haven't made it for a while. So since we're home all the time now, we are going to try something new and cook. So I know when you're at home, maybe you cook something with your mom and dad too. So today you're just gonna observe, and then later on you can share what you cook with your family. So to make Rice Krispie treats, Brayden, what do we need?
A saucepan.
A saucepan.
4 cups of marshmallows.
4 cups of miniature marshmallows.
And 3 tablespoons of butter.
3 tablespoons of butter. And what's the cereal?
Rice Krispies.
And 6 cups of Rice Krispies.
First, you melt the butter on low.
Okay. So remember, boys and girls, you need an adult to do that. So you're gonna melt 3 tablespoons of butter on low.
Next, you're gonna need 4 cups of marshmallows.
Oh, okay. So that's 1 cup.
2 cups.
2 cups.
3 cups.
It's a third cup.
And 4 cups.
So 4 cups of marshmallows.
Now that the butter is melted, we're gonna put the marshmallows in.
Okay. So he's gonna pour all the marshmallows that we had in there. And we're gonna stir it until it's melted completely.
So now we are going to get 6 cups of Rice Krispie treats.
Okay. 1. So Rice is gonna make sure there's 6 cups of Rice Krispie treats. What happened to the marshmallows?
They're melted.
Yeah, so they're melting with the butter. Keep stirring, and then as soon as it's all melted, we're gonna take it off of the stove. Okay, so boys and girls, now that the marshmallow and the butter's melted, we are going to pour the Rice Krispie treats a little at a time and mix. Okay, pour just a little at a time. Keep going. Keep going. And just keep mixing it. So while you're mixing it, your adult or friend is mixing it, we put some wax paper on a pan. So it's like a baking pan, so that when we put the Rice Krispies in, it won't get sticky. Okay, so boys and girls, now we're gonna put the Rice Krispie treats into the baking pan. We're not gonna bake it, we're just gonna put it in so it can set. So remember, it's sticky, but it's okay, it's supposed to be sticky. And then we're gonna flatten it in the pan. Sticky, we're gonna use the wax paper to smash it. Since we had a couple of extra marshmallows, Bryce is going to decorate it. So he's just putting some on top of our Rice Krispie treats. So now our Rice Krispie treats are ready, and we're going to cut them out. Then I'm gonna cut it out in little squares. And voila, Rice Krispie treats. How do they taste?
Good.
Are they chewy? Excellent. Now my friend Cecilia is going to show you how she cooks in the kitchen with her grandma.
So today my grandma taught me how to make tortillas one day, and today I'm going to make one to show you. So first, open the smasher, then get a piece of clear plastic paper, put it right there, put a circle of dough, and you get another one and put it on top, and then put the cap on, and then smash it with the stick. Then put it back up, open it, and it's a nice flat tortilla.
Thank you.
So thanks, boys and girls, for joining us while you got to watch Brayden and Bryce and I make Rice Krispie treats. So when you're at home, something you can learn to do is just watch who cooks in your house and see what they make, and maybe you can help them. Maybe not to cook, but you can maybe help, like to peel something, or maybe mix things with them. Cooking is a really great way to get involved and to learn. something new. So I hope you are able to help somebody in your family cook and enjoy, and then you get to eat it afterwards. So let us know what you cook at home too. Send a picture or just enjoy being with your family, okay? Stay safe. I'll see you next time, boys and girls.